In this video, I want you to join me in the process of the restoration of this painting. It was my customer's request to do something elegant but simple. So hang in to see the result of the final painting. I know you will be surprised. Okay, so I'm remaking this big abstract that I started a few weeks ago, and I'm starting to remaking it again because I don't like it. As you can see, the colors, I don't like them. They are like too down. So I want to make it like more vibrant, more alive. So you will see the final result. It's important that you have a close communication with your customer, because they know what they want, but they just don't know how to express it. So it's up to you as an artist to reveal what they want and to express it on the canvas with the painting, with the material for their fulfillment. That's our job as artists. So if you made it this far in this video, I congratulate you a lot for hanging along through all this video. And as you can see, the painting is not here anymore, it's at my customer's home, and I know you would like to see the final results on their wall. So stick in and go and watch these final shots.